IKEA products are easily found, affordable, and so stylish. They are already stylish and great as they come, but they can also be hacked and turned into something really unique and different for your home. Pretty much anything that IKEA sells can be hacked and changed, but there are many products that are really the most hackable and the most hacked. Here are those 10 products. 1. Tarva Series Dressers. The Tarva Dresser comes in 3 different sizes or models. There is the 6-drawer double chest, 3-drawer single chest, and the 5-drawer single chest. All models come in solid wood pine. Once again, you can do whatever you want to do to Tarva. You can stain the wood for a different hue and color, you can paint it, and more. 2. Lac Side Tables. There are a few different styles of table in the Lac series, but the Lac Side Table is one of the most hackable pieces of furniture that IKEA sells. The Lac Side Table is a lovely table anyway. It can be used as a bedside table, side table, a table for your printer, just about anything at all. 3. Rast 3-drawer chest. The Rast 3-drawer chest unit is such an affordable piece of furniture, and it is made from solid wood. It comes in a basic natural-looking wood color, but you can stain it if you want a different-looking wood color. You can also paint it, decoupage it, anything you want to do to make it your own and more unique. 4. Cadillac Shelving. The Cadillac series offers many different size shelving units. Most come in black, white, or natural wood. Some models come in many different colors. Cadillac shelving units, to be honest, look stylish and beautiful on their own. But if you want to create something a little more different and unique, there are so many stylish ways to hack them. You can paint them, add legs to them, add baskets, knobs, and handles, and so much more. 5. Hemni Shoe Cabinet. The Hemni Shoe Cabinet is a narrow 4-compartment cabinet that is designed to store your shoes neatly and away from sight. This cabinet only has legs at the front, which means it can easily stand up against any wall. If you have baseboard, you can easily fit this cabinet against it. 6. Billy Bookcases. The iconic Billy bookcase that IKEA sells has been a staple for years and years. The Billy bookcase comes in many different sizes and styles. There are 3 shelf bookcases, 6 shelf bookcases, tall bookcases, short bookcases, bookcases with glass doors, and even corner bookcases. Billy can be turned into beautiful built-in shelving in your home, and hacked in many other ways too. 7. Beckfum Spice Rack. The Beckfum Spice Rack is a solid wood birch wooden shelf made for storing spice jars. But it can also be hacked. It can be turned into all kinds of shelves for all areas of your home. This little gem is only about $4.99 in IKEA US stores. That makes it such an affordable home decor and storage item. 8. Heat Cork Trivets. Heat cork trivets are an old staple of IKEA. They have sold these handy, inexpensive heat trivet pads for years and years. In fact, these trivets were one of the very first things I bought from IKEA, and I still have them to this day. But you can even hack this trivet. There are a lot of things you can actually do with heat trivets. 9. Mopey Storage Chest. There is so much to love about the Mopey storage chest. I already love the quiet, unassuming neutral color and design of this chest. It will fit completely into any decor and any room without fuss. But it is just begging to be hacked too. It is a blank palette that also can use so much color and pattern. 10. Beckfum Step Stool. The Beckfum Step Stool is the perfect unassuming, yet beautiful piece of furniture to hack. You can paint it, decoupage it, cover it with paper, and more. You can buy the Beckfum Step Stool from IKEA in a natural wood color, and also in white and black.